Hello everyone. So today we are driving straight into the core power of our solutions, QuoteX and DRTE. We'll demonstrate exactly how these two solutions empower small ISV partners like us to deliver timely, professional, highly efficient customer responses. Okay, so let's go straight into our Salesforce org where we are working on a deal of selling QuoteX 2 licenses. We are selling 2 licenses per month to the customer, and at the same time we have a package called the installation setup and configuration package that we are selling at $1,000, a one-time fees to the customer. And just quickly see the code document. So this is where the DRD comes in, and it automatically generates the document for us for the template that we have defined. Okay, so this kind of good looks good, and we are ready to send this code to the customer. All right, so the customer is universal contact, and we just quickly this. Cool. So if you can see, we have this e-signature workflow record created, and we're going to be beginning the workflow. So what it does, with this email, uh, they're going to be they definitely have clicked on the sign this document, which opens up our e-signature, DID e-signature tool. So as likely it is expected to ask for the acknowledgement, and it opens up the page for us. Cool. So now as the customer is reviewing, they found that okay, so the subscription fees for a year is $96 around that, and then this estimated. But since this is the customer definitely have a high level idea about this cost, but this fees, but they don't exactly know what is gonna be covering under this fee. So what it makes is that customer they don't like it because it does not have the full information about the code. So they go ahead and decline, and with the reason that okay, I need a new code to sign with the details of other fees mentioned. Okay, so we found that it was a fair ask from the customer, and we wanted to make it generic in our TRD for all the rest of the upcoming codes, right? So what we'll do, we'll quickly go into the DRD document templates and select the template that is used for code document generation. We'll go to 52 position, making it active, and provide the SOQL query that will pull in the other cost details and its information from the system, and just save it. All right, so now that the 52 position will give it other fees uh, heading, and then will also at the same time configure its table. So how quickly we can do this? We wanted to show the costing. All right. We wanted to show the description so that customer is aware what this cost is about. And then we also wanted to show the total fee because it's a currency. So we wanted to have this defined as currency. Currency generally is right aligned, and we just save it. Okay, so now that we have made the changes and included that in the section, so let's quickly just preview the document. We have defined the SFTC ID of that record here just to quickly check if we have this document previewed and working correctly or showing up correctly. So let's just see. Okay, so we have the subsection, we have this. Okay, perfect. Looks nice. All right, so coming back on this, the code record in a system that was rejected earlier, or the request, the signature request where it was rejected earlier. We just wanted to check if our code document is now covering the details, which looks like it is, and we hope that now the customer would have no issues, no concerns, and things are pretty defined in details. Perfect. So let's send this again to the customer, and hopefully this time they'll be okay. So we had it, but it was rejected. So let's send it again. We sent it, and we are, because it was the previous one was rejected, we have to manually send it to customer. Finish. Yes. Okay. So now that customer must have received this email again and would open this request. System again, it acknowledges and see if they have the full details here. Perfect. Now customer sees that okay, now they have this QuoteX Pro user plan, 1 to 9 user subscription, 2 for the terms 12 months, which is the unit price, and then this, and then estimated other fees is this. Perfect. And the total net fees is 1796.80. Perfect. And then the customer is happy to sign this. Uh, just an hypothetical name here. Sign it. Perfect. I can sign it, and I can also at the same time download the document and keep it for my records at the same time. Otherwise, there would be an email coming in to be able to sign. Perfect. So see how quickly we were able to respond to the customer, right? Creating a great experience for both sides, and as well as a great competition or a competitive tool in the market, which keeps your data all in Salesforce natively and does not even uh, go a single text outside your Salesforce org. And how quickly we were able to respond to customer. Awesome. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with more videos. But if you like this, feel free to reach out to me, DM me, or send out an email to info@CodeyLabs.com. And we'll happy to replicate the same tools for you and to make your life easier. Thank you.